The other is Better Farm Spark, which is electrolyte, so that's kind of like a Gatorade for us, but it's pretty there. So that one can really help hurt them up as well on a sick bird. A great option is Critter Care because it actually has this complete food replacement for the bird, and it also has probiotic added to it, so for a sick bird it can be very beneficial. And it's similar to your hand rearing mix in consistency, so it can be easily syringe fed or crop fed. Hand rearing mix, if you've got it at home and don't have anything else, is fine too, just to keep your bird going, for overnight. Otherwise, if you're desperate, Gatorade or cordial, just to try and get a bit of sugar and water is fine. Just weaken it down a little bit so it's not really strong. If it's night time and you just want your bird to have a bit of energy to go through the night, syringe feeding or crop feeding, a bit of that is very useful. The big thing with syringe feeding is it can actually be more dangerous than crop feeding because you're just putting water at the top of the bird's beak, which is right where the opening to the windpipe is. So you've got to be very, very careful doing it and go very, very slowly and allow the bird time to swallow. And if they're refusing it, you've got to be very careful not to squirt water in there because they will, put it on it. So, yeah. So that's where crop feeding can actually be safer, once you've learned to do it. Otherwise, the other big thing is keeping them warm. So a little hospital box can be your best friend in times of need because birds really lose heat quickly. And unfortunately, a lot of people cover their birds at night, which is fine. But it's like us, if we were in a room this size and we just stood in the middle of the room, we're not going to heat the whole room up just because the doors are shut. So it's the same for your little birds. They don't generate enough body heat on their own to heat up a whole cage just because it's covered. So while it'll help with the wind and things, it won't warm them up inside of there. So having something else, even just, ideally like a heat lamp or a heat mat is great as long as they can't sit on it and burn themselves. If you don't have anything like that, even just filling up like a water bottle at home with some hot water, wrapping it in a tea towel so the bird can't burn themselves on it anywhere, and sitting that in the cage with them can just help provide a bit of ambient heat to keep them warm through the night. Ideally, if you've got something like a humidity crib or something where a bit more advanced, keeping the temperature around that 28 degrees for a sick bird is really good for you to warm. The other important thing is making sure it's comfortable for the bird and easy for you to check on because a sick bird can be get quite frantic. So having to check them by unwrapping a whole big box or something every time, can stress the bird out. So something you can just kind of peek into, make sure your bird's okay, and then shutting them is really useful as well. The other thing is to make sure they've got plenty of access to food and water if they're able to eat food on their own, because the two most common things a sick bird will die from is not being able to get food into them and not having water. So that's something that's really important. Otherwise, that's it. No questions? Anybody have any? It's pretty much it there. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that can happen. Oh, okay.